Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secret use multiple accounts. We're using one because, guys, with first using My Lead Gen Secrets, try one account to see if it works and stuff like that. So we're going to stick to that type of results, and I want to just show you what you can do with this, promoting this program while doing it like that. You may get better results than me, less than me. I'm not entirely sure, but this is what I'm just going to show you what I make. Alright, guys, but before we get started, the links in the description below. You're interested in following along, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so let me talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. The first reason, because it's a funnel builder. It's a very good product, very easy to use, no limitations, all that good stuff. And anybody that knows online marketing know you need a funnel builder to really kind of ramp it up. And it's only $25 a month, and you get a ton of other stuff too. It really sets up an online business for you. Y'all already got the steps there. All you gotta do is mush it together, and it teaches you how to do that. All right, guys. And it's $25 a month. Ridiculous price for a funnel builder. Anybody that knows, right? The most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels right now, and I think the cheapest they got is like $149 or something crazy like that. $149 a month, which is ridiculous, and it has a ton of limitations too. That's the worst part about it. It has a ton of limitations at $149 a month, and you want to get rid of those, you need to pay a full $300. And yeah, it's the most popular still because it was the first, for the most part, the first one to really blow up. So they can charge whatever they want, but you can get all that with just $25, guys. That's the reason why I like this product. It's a very good product, very affordable product. And the second reason why I like promoting, and the reason I think you guys are interested, and why I was initially interested, is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That is insanity. The highest on seen before that was 40%. Ironically, ClickFunnels was 40% recurring commissions. That's the crazy thing about it. This is 80% recurring commission, guys. You make 80% of the money that you make for them. That's crazy. And trust me, that's the highest you're gonna ever see. Alright, guys, that's the highest you're gonna ever see. Alright, let's get started here. Let's see our results and see what's going on. But before we get to that, I want to make sure I clarify that if you see results, guys, make sure the person refreshes the page so you can really see the results of what's going on, guys, because it's very easy to make these numbers look like whatever I want them to be. You know what I mean? So we're gonna just hit the refresh button here. There we go, guys. Alright, so we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. It's alright. Not a big deal, you know what I mean? It's just something that happens, guys. Alright, so we're gonna move on to My Lead Gen Secrets over here. We're just gonna do the basics here. Click all like list leads. Excuse me. Gonna just pick our next email here. Right here. Gonna click on that. And what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna get rid of the picture and all that. I seem to do a little bit better when I do that, or it's the same. I can't really tell. But we're just testing this out for a while, just taking my initials out and stuff, and just post the email. All right, so ready to get started. All right, so this is the link you want to use. You want to use the all-in-one $25 business link because it promotes the 25. It promotes the $20 it promotes the $20 affiliate sale and the $100 per month sale. So it promotes both of them. So you can make $120 per month on each person, which is insanity, guys. So make sure you do that. All right, so we're gonna hit preview here, and you make sure your link works. I know mine works because I'm just posting the same email on did before, so I already done checked that. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time does send an email around time people check emails. And we're gonna send. We done, guys. That's all it takes. Easy, real quick. Done with it. You know what I mean? And you finish. It only take you about half a minute to do. Once you get all your emails in the system every month, and you can make about stuff. The highest on made is $680 in a month, and it's probably gonna come down a little bit this month. I think this month is a little slower, but it slowly builds up, you know what I mean? Because they're recurring commissions. So I'm making more and more money every time. So most of my sales are becoming recurring sales now. You know what I mean? So even if I'm slow, even if this money's slow, I'm still making a lot of money because it's recurring, which is beautiful. All right, guys. So anyway, that's all there is to that. If you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.